So quick tip guys, when you're going to be feeding your fruit. So when I go to feed my fruit, so I use this on my pumpkins, my courgettes, my strawberries. Sulphate of potash or potassium, it's the same thing. I buy this from Wilkinson's, 5 or 6 quid I think I paid for it. And so this is in particular when you go to do a liquid feed. So it's, it says dissolve 30 grams in 9 litres of water. So I'm just going to show you just a little quick tip, just to save you all the hassle of weighing it all out and things, and it gets dissolved way better in the water this way. So what you're going to need is just a standard little soup tin, normal tin, like tin of beans, tin of soup, and you want to fill the bottom up 1/2 centimetre. So you want to tip the powder in here, just cover the bottom 1/2 centimetre. So you're left with that in the bottom there. And then all we're going to do, so we're at the water butt, we're literally just putting the tiniest bit of water in the bottom here just to cover the powder, just enough to swirl it around without it all spilling out. Get it mixed in, twist it around like that so it all dissolves. See now, it's all dissolved in there, no little lumps or anything. So now this can be added before or after you fill up your watering can, and makes no difference whatsoever because it's all dissolved in the bottom of there. So it's like when you bake a cake and the flour gets all lumpy and stuff, so you're basically getting rid of all that because you've swirled it round in the tin first. So basically pour this in there, fill it up, and then you're good to go and water your fruit.